Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you the recipe for an easy to make, fluffy cheese-filled puff pastry. Let's get started with the recipe. For the sauce of our pastry, let's take 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of vegetable oil on top, and 1 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And 1 packet of baking powder. Mix well with a whisk. For the filling, I used a mix of cheddar and white cheese. Let's mash about 1 bowl of white cheese. Add 1 bowl of grated cheddar cheese to it. Add a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley and mix. You can prepare it with any filling of your choice. I used 5 sheets of phyllo dough for our pastry. Lay 1 sheet on the countertop. Drizzle a few spoonfuls of the prepared sauce over it. Spread it evenly across the entire surface with a brush. Make sure to apply a generous amount of sauce to each layer of the dough. As you see in the video, spread plenty of sauce on the dough every time you fold it. Fold the dough layer by layer into a square shape. Finally, spread a generous amount of sauce on the last folded sections. As shown in the video, cut it evenly into 4 pieces. Place a few spoonfuls of the filling onto each piece. Fold them into a bundle shape. If you wish, you can roll them in a cigarette pastry shape instead. After shaping our pastries, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. If you like, you can prepare and shape the pastries this way and freeze them for later without baking. Brush the remaining sauce generously over the pastries. I sprinkled some Nigella seeds on top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius, 347 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden brown. In my oven, they were done in 35 minutes. I took them out of the oven. When fresh out of the oven, they are crispy. Of course, they soften as they cool down. But either way, they are incredibly delicious. Serve the pastries warm. Enjoy them in advance if you try the recipe. If you watched my video until here and liked it, you can support me with likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.